my channel, our channel. Today is such a wonderful day. Yes, wonderful. Look at outside, so wonderful. But we're going to make inside our science activity. We're doing kinetic sands. DIY kinetic sands. Seamus, are you ready? Yay! We got the ingredients, guys. We got the sand, the corn flour, and the cooking oil. And we took this sand. You can have an option. You can buy applying sand in Bunnings, or buy this one. We just took this in one of our trip in the beach, featuring Maroubra Beach. Watch this. Flour, and we do have a cooking oil. We got plenty of canola, so I'm using a canola oil this time. We got an optional of coloring food coloring. Yay! Okay, we measure first our ingredients. So what we have is 5:3:1. 5 sand, 3 corn flour, and 1 cup of oil. Yes. And afterwards, we will going to compare it with a commercial kinetic sand, if there's any difference and what works better. To put the oil, 1 cup. All right. Not yet. We'll put it slowly and slowly, okay? Slowly and slowly. Seamus. It can form. We did it! Ball! See? It won't slip in my finger. Well done, guys. We did it. Where's your finger? Where's your finger?
Hold up. How deep can we go? 'Cause you're pulling me straight down. I'm used to all the pressure. But you know I'm not the same. Sink or we can swim, lose or we can win. I'm so alive, baby, it hurts. Forget about the end, we already gave in. I'm so alive, baby, it hurts. Took you in like a
DIY sand versus the magic sand from right, guys, basically this is too light, like really light, lighter than our DIY, but they are more, but our DIY is more like we're playing in the beach. This is more a bit sticky, but really great in forming shape. They're both good, great play. Guys, definitely we can make our kinetic sands at home, and it works perfectly great. And Seamus, do you like it, Seamus? They're so busy, guys, so I'll have to end up our video. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys. See you in our next video. Stay tuned. And for those who are not subscribed, hit subscribe. Bye. Mwah. So busy.